Israeli tanks, military vehicles, and troops gather near the border with the Gaza Strip after a ceasefire declared by Hamas failed to fully take hold. In Syria, thousands of people took part in demonstrations to protest U.S. President Donald Trump's decision to recognize Israeli control of the Golan Heights. The Asian Network for Free Elections is criticizing Thailand's elections. The group says the ballot counting process created mistrust, and the U.S. military says it has successfully tested a missile defense system to strike an intercontinental ballistic missile class target.